We have beautiful brie and camembert.
Touch that boy. Wait, do that again.
How is it, Matt?
I haven't had any yet, but I smell it.
How's that scent?
Oh, it does kind of stink a little.
Smell it.
I got a little bit of a wail. Go ahead. Go
Is
ahead.
there something to drink? Well, this will make it even more classy. Finish the bottle after I eat it. Wow.
Smells like stinky feet, doesn't it? Stinky feet.
And
Wait till he shoots his
is it
face.
good?
It's not horrible. It's not as bad as.
Oh, please.
Are you gonna drink the wine?
It's creamy and delicious. Get some Maggie on it.
Have some Maggie on it. That's the answer to everything. Huh? Get the Maggie.
King
Take small
mozzarella.
piece. Take small piece.
Take a small piece.
A little Maggie.
Oh, I don't want Maggie on mine.
Oh, okay.
No, I like Maggie.
Here, Mama, watch out. Let me get a picture.
Well, I'm.
No, I'm fine. No, I'm fine.
Oh.
But for sure, I ain't gonna kiss you today. That's for sure. I'm not gonna bloody kiss you at all. Fuck that.
I just had to try it. I went to
Yeah, you have to try it.
That's not good.
You have a toothbrush with you?
No, I got mine.
Oh, that's not good.
Good whiff that time.
No, I tasted it.
Look what Matt is doing.